Number system. Recall what we have learned in the previous classes about the different kinds of numbers. The first kind is natural numbers, denoted with the letter n. Natural numbers are the numbers which are occurred naturally. They are also called counting numbers. They start from 1. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The second kind is whole numbers. They are the natural numbers along with 0. They start from 0. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the third kind is integers. They are denoted with the letter Z. Z comes from the German word Zahlen, which means to count. Integers are the numbers consisting of negative numbers and whole numbers. And the fourth kind is rational numbers. They are denoted with the letter Q. Q means quotient. The rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, like this. Now, we will recall how to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. For example, if we have to find 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3. In this form, we can find rational numbers between 2 and 3. In order to find them, we must convert them into the rational equivalent to find them. Rational equivalent means the rational number equal to 2 and 3. 2 can be written as 2 by 1 and 3 can be written as 3 by 1. 2 multiplied by 4 by 4 gives 8 by 4. 3 by 1 multiplied by 4 by 4 gives 12 by 4. This doesn't make any changes to the original rational number. Now we can find exactly 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3. They are 10 by 4, 10 by 4, 7 by 4. If we have to find 6 between 2 and 3, we will just multiply them by 7 by 7. 2 by 1 multiplied by 7 by 7 gives 14 by 7 and 3 multiplied by 7 by 7 gives 21 by 7. This also doesn't make any difference to the original rational numbers. So the rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 15 by 7, 16 by 7, 17 by 7, 18 by 7, 19 by 7, 20 by 7. In this way, we can find infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now, I would like to ask some questions. Is every natural number a whole number? Yes, every natural number is a whole number because whole numbers are defined as the natural numbers along with 0. So, every natural number is a whole number and likewise all whole numbers are integers and all integers are rational numbers. And rational numbers can also be positive and negative, like minus 2 by 1 and plus 3 by 1. Now, we are going to answer the exercise 1.1 of this chapter. Now, we are going to solve the exercise 1.1 of this chapter. In this exercise, the first question is 0 a rational number? Can it be written as in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? And the answer for this is yes. Yes, it can be written in the form of P by Q, like this, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Yes, 0 is a rational number. Now, the second question is, we have find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. In this form, we can find 6 rational numbers. Now, we must again convert them into the rational equivalent. So, we will multiply them with 7 by 7. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Now, 3 by 1 multiplied by 7 by 7 gives 21 by 7. And 4 can be written as 4 by 1. And 4 by 1 multiplied by 7 by 7 gives 28 by 7. Now, we can find exactly 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. They are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. These are the rational numbers between 3 and 4. Hey, did you find out? The rational number between 3 and 4 is 22 by 7, which is pi. Now, moving on to the next question. The third question is, you have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. It is the same procedure we followed here. 3 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6 and 4 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6. 3 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6 gives 18 by 30 and 4 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 6 gives 24 by 30. Now we can find 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. First one is 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. These are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now, the fourth question is, there are 3 sub-questions in them. The first question is every natural number a whole number? Yes, as I said in the previous video, every natural number is a whole number, as the definition of whole number is natural numbers along with 0. So, the first one is true. And the second one, is every integer a whole number? No. Integers are also negative numbers along with whole numbers. So, all integers are not whole numbers. So, the second statement is false. And the third one is every rational number a whole number? Well, if all integers are not whole numbers, is any rational number a whole number? No, because the rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, which means they can be negative or even positive, whereas whole numbers are only positive. So, the third one is also false. Now, we have completed the exercise 1.1 of this chapter. In the next video, we will discuss something interesting about the numbers which are not rational.